Hi, my name is Julia McLeod and I have written a book called Patchwork Luxe, Quilts from Neckties, Kimonos and Sari Silks. It's published by C&T Publishing, and as the title suggests, it's all about putting luxury silky fabrics into your quilts. Maybe like many quilters I meet, you have a stash of neckties, kimonos, look, I'm wearing them all. Maybe you have Chinese brocades. Many of these things I've picked up at thrift shops. People have also given them to me from their travels or just from their stashes. Kimono linings and kimonos themselves are often just gorgeous. But how do you use them? How do you put them into a quilt? They want to fray, they tend to stretch, they're really kind of slippery. Saris are wonderful sources of yards of silk, and they often have a beautiful border on them. And then, as I say, thrifting. I've just found this in a thrift store, this great print. I love to find things like this, and I love to figure out how to put them into quilts. Silk is a whole lot more durable and easy to work with than you might think when you use the right techniques. So take a look at my book, Patchwork Luxe. Get those kimonos out, find those neckties you've been stashing, cut up a sari or two and make a beautiful quilt.